Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. We've got some sensational news to share today about the latest ChatGPT update. Get ready to dive deep into the world of AI as we explore the fine-tuning API for ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. This update opens up a world of possibilities, allowing developers and users to customize their experiences with this impressive language model. Now, let's break it all down for you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get excited about the incredible ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo Fine-tuning API. This groundbreaking development empowers you to tailor ChatGPT 3.5 for specific use cases, offering a level of personalization like never before. We'll walk you through what this means for the model and how you can make the most of this fantastic opportunity from OpenAI. The 22nd of August marked a pivotal moment when OpenAI unveiled the fine-tuning API for ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. Developers can now infuse their own data to customize this powerful model for their unique needs. This means that for the first time ever, users of the free version of ChatGPT 3.5 can shape the software according to their preferences. Concerns about data privacy on platforms like ChatGPT have been raised. But fear not. OpenAI has reassured users that their training data remains their own. The data you feed into the fine-tuning API is owned by you, the customer, and will not be used by OpenAI or any other organization to train other models. Your data's security is top priority. Here's the kicker. This fine-tuning update has proven to be remarkable. In fact, it outshines even ChatGPT 4 in some tasks. ChatGPT 4 may be known for its massive trillion parameter size, but the fine-tuned ChatGPT 3.5 is challenging its position. One of the standout benefits is improved steerability. With previous models, it could be a bit like steering a ship in a storm. But the fine-tuning update changes that. It enables businesses to predict the direction of generated content with precision, following instructions more accurately. Whether you want ChatGPT to operate in a specific language or power a chatbot, it's ready to deliver. This update also addresses a long-standing challenge, capturing context. It's now possible to ensure that the model maintains context in various situations. Contextual understanding is a game-changer, and it's right at your fingertips. ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo with fine-tuning guarantees a reliable output format. Thoughts and ideas are preserved, making the model suitable for a wide range of applications. This reliability is crucial for official and professional use. As for the cost, while ChatGPT 3.5 used to be free, fine-tuning does come at a modest price. OpenAI has outlined a pricing structure in tokens, covering both prompt input and output. Careful planning is advised to optimize your costs effectively. Ready to dive in? First, obtain an OpenAI API key by creating an account on their website. Next, assemble a training dataset relevant to your task. The quality and relevance of your data will greatly impact your model's performance. Cleaning the dataset is essential to ensure accuracy. After that, it's time to upload your training dataset to OpenAI using their API. The fine-tuning process begins, which may take some time, depending on your data's size and complexity. Remember, the more data you have, the better your model's performance. Test your model with a separate dataset to ensure it meets your expectations. Once satisfied, you can proceed to deploy it in your application, ready to serve your specific needs. Fine-tuning techniques are diverse, including supervised fine-tuning, reinforcement learning, and transfer learning. Each technique has its strengths and can be applied based on your unique requirements. A word of caution. Be mindful of the information you feed into these sophisticated systems. OpenAI and experts have highlighted the importance of accurate data to avoid undesirable outcomes. Looking ahead, OpenAI is expected to release a fine-tuning API for ChatGPT 4 later this year. But for now, ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo's fine-tuning update takes center stage. The ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo Fine-tuning API, an exciting step towards personalized AI experiences. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, responsible AI usage is key. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tech adventure.